Yeah, you must didn't come down the week before last when they had all them big timers down there.
I didn't. Uh-oh. Oh! Really?
Big Ronnie. Look at you, Big Ronnie. You going to check.
All right, young man.
Why they need to stay out in the road instead of riding around people's trucks.
Four-wheeler put him up there.
Huh?
That four-wheeler put him up there.
Oh.
He was running from that four-wheeler. He was started out in the road. Yeah, all this go have to be.
Hey, whoa. I'm not into that. Hey, tap. I don't know about this. Hey, let it go. Let it go. See, oh, you scared. Let it go.
Yeah, they talking crazy, ain't they? Here the man right here putting it on. You put on this whole show all by yourself, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
I know you did. I know you did. How you doing?
I'm doing good. What you up to?
Nothing much. You gonna find my Honda, bro.
Damn temperature dropping.
It is now.